nào bây giờ cá được tuân từ đã chim thì chim nó chưa không được lạnh lạnh.
Ladies and gentlemen, so after we cook the cake like this, like the start of the video, you can see after we cook. So now let me eat. Everyone look at this, it's yummy or not? It is the Khmer traditional cake, you know. It is the cake that made from rice, made from green onion, and also ingredient mean hot salt, mean rice, you know, right? Mean rice, roti, and also sugar too. Yeah. So we eat this cake with chili sauce, everyone, like this. So I'm going to show you now about my eating. So now we put the chili sauce on the cake like this. Wow. Like this. And then we eat, everyone. Wow, it's just so yummy, everyone. I used to make this cake, have anyone sell it on the street, you know, like the walk side, everyone. I used to see it, but now I can eat and eat by myself and make it by myself too. Wow, everyone, it's so yummy. Let it with me, everyone. We put a lot of chili sauce like this to be more delicious. Everyone, the sound of bird like chip, 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 chip. So yummy. We put a lot of chili sauce like this to be more delicious. Everyone, look at me. Mm. Um. Mm. Mm. The chili sauce also delicious too. Mm. Everyone, I want you to see the inside of it. Look at this, everyone. This is the inside of it. Uh, this is we call green onion, everyone. Green onion, and the outside of it is the rice. So we put the cake in the chili sauce like this, and then we put the cake on the mouth, everyone. Mm. It's so yummy, everyone, and it's at all now. Mm. So now, if I have time a lot, I'm going to show you about the ingredient of it and how to cook it too. But now I think it is enough for me, everyone, because of now the cake is at all and I'm enough to of my eating. So now let me say goodbye, everyone. Thank you for watching this video. I promise that I will find a good recipe and a good landscape to show you more. So now goodbye, everyone. Goodbye.